welcome back to my channel, and today I have a really cute little simple project coming from the Dollar Tree. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. You're just going to need an 8x10 picture frame, and I bought the one that looks wooden along the edge. It's going to be kind of a farmhouse feel, and all I'm going to do is just transform this picture frame to put a picture in it. I don't actually have one right now. I need to go print one out. So you'll probably just see this back inside of it. But I'm going to transform this picture frame into a really pretty farmhouse picture frame that you can put a picture in, and just it would really be pretty for your decor. So you'll need a frame like this, and then some of these Gerber daisies from the Dollar Tree. I've said this several times, but I think they're so farmhouse looking and they're beautiful. And then you're going to need a glue gun, something to cut your flowers with, and then maybe a sponge and maybe a foam brush. And I don't know really which color paint I'm going to use. I'm either going to use the Waverly chalk paint in Cashew, which is just this really pretty creamy color, or the chalk paint in Celery. So I'm really not sure which one. And you'll have to excuse my lighting today because we're having that tropical system, tropical storm come over. But basically we got a little bit of wind, but basically we're just cloudy. We were so blessed. So let's go ahead and start working on this. I'm going to be doing a little bit different technique to make this Dollar Tree picture frame pop even further and really give it a nice feel. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure that this doesn't have anything on it. And I like the wood color, so I'm going to leave that like that. Then I'm just going to take my glue gun, and I'm just going to start making designs on this picture frame itself, and then we're going to let it cool. So let's see. Just little swirly designs, whatever. I'm trying to just give it dimension in this picture frame. And just make sure, like I said, that you go all around it and naturally stay off the glass, because you don't want it on the glass. But you want it to have some design element to it, because when we paint it, then it's going to give us a really nice effect. So that's basically what I'm doing. It's really hard to see, I think, until it dries. But I'm going to go around and finish doing that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you can see, I think you can see, I hope you can see at least. I just went all around and I just put glue on that, and I'm letting it dry. And I wasn't too particular. I just did different designs going up and down through there just to give it some dimension. And then once you let it completely dry to the touch, because you want it to be dry, because we're gonna, and this needs to dry just a little bit. It's still just a little warm. Then we're gonna take, and this is the only thing I'm not sure about what color to use. I think I may just use this, the Cashew. And I think this is really making this picture frame look more upscale to me. I think it's giving it a really nice look. Okay, so we'll put some of this out. Or maybe I'll just try to take it. Now, I don't know if I'm just going to use this out of the lid, or if I'm going to use, and then I'm just going to drag it across where I have painted, where I put that, the glue. And it gives it a really nice effect. I really do like how this is turning out, because the glue is picking it up. And you could do any colors that you wanted. I just thought that I was going to try this color. And you could probably even layer colors if you wanted. I mean, the possibilities are really endless with this look. But it's a way to take Dollar Tree picture frames and give them a different look. Maybe you didn't find the one you exactly wanted, but with this, it's so customizable that you can just transform it into anything that you like. And you could use it on the other, you wouldn't have to have the ones with the wood, but I definitely wanted this one to have the wood on it. And if you get some of it on the frame in other places, that is okay too. Because there's not a wrong or a right way to do this. We're just doing what we like. And then we'll naturally pull our little strings off. But this is just such a cute little idea, I think. And you can put as much of this glue on to give the effect or as little as you want. It's entirely up to you. Okay, and now this is what we have, and I think that is so beautiful. I mean, it's a total customized look. And you would never know that that was a Dollar Tree picture frame. It totally elevates it. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. So I don't think I'm really going to do anything else to it. Just making sure that all my little glue is covered. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these Gerber daisies and cut them off. And I'll probably cut them off pretty short again. And see exactly how I want to do these. Okay, so I'm going to cut that really, really super short. And then I'm just going to glue them like I did that other project in together. And then you can just put whatever picture that you want in this. And I think it's really going to give it a different effect. That's why I love Dollar Tree picture frames. I mean, you can do so much with them. And I'm going to put that right there, and I'm going to put a couple more on here. But depending on what color that you put this, it's just so customizable and totally versatile. And you don't have to put the flowers on here if you don't want, but I thought it would be really cute. I may end up giving this to my brother-in-law for his new house, and he can put a picture in it or whatever, but that's what it looks like so far. Now I think I'm going to put another one And like I said, you wouldn't have to put any flowers on it if you don't want to. It's totally up to you. I think I'm going to stop after I put these on, because I think this is going to be plenty. But here you go. It is a sweet little picture frame. And like I said, you wouldn't have to put the flowers on it if you didn't want to. And you could actually put more flowers on it if you wanted to. You could actually even put another one. I think I will put one more. But more than anything, I just wanted to show you this technique. And I thought that it would really add a lot to how these Dollar Tree picture frames look. Okay, and then here we are. There's our very own picture frame. Let me move this out of the way. But it's so customizable, and it just looks so much more expensive, and you would never know if you saw that that was just glue, hot glue that was allowed to dry and then painted over. I love it. And then plus put a really pretty picture in here and it would be gorgeous. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.